In this video, we're going to talk about if you can get your discount backup code without logging in. First, of course, and being clear, you cannot generate or view any new Discord backup codes while completely logged out. You can only use the codes that you previously saved, recover access through another verification method, or view the codes from a device where your account is still logged in. Discord support cannot move or remove the MFA to create replacements backup codes. So some of the things that you can do is basically start searching for any previously saved codes. Make sure to check your download folder, documents folder, screenshots or photo gallery, password manager, or cloud storage. Look for a file named Discord backup codes.txt, and Discord backup codes contains 8 digits and can only be used once. And once you are here on the Discord login screen, you can start an example by entering your email and password. And then at the authentication screen, you can click on verify with something else, and then you can use the backup code that you have. You can enter any one that is unused yet. It's 8 digits code. Click on confirm, and if the backup code option is missing, all the saved codes may already have been used. And of course, if you can't do that, you can try other ways like trying the SMS verification, and it will only work if SMS authentication was already enabled on your account. Or you can go and check any other logged in devices if you have, maybe your phone, another computer, a browser where you previously signed in. And if the account is still open, you can go to normally the user settings, click on your account and look for my account. And from here, as an example, you can enable any authentication like Authenticator app, add some security keys, change the password if you want to, then you can log in on any other devices. And of course, you may still be able to access your account using any Google Authenticator if you already have it enabled, or as an example, a synced authenticator backup or a saved passkey or security key. And once you're logged in, you can generate and safely store new backup codes for you. And of course, if none of these works, if you have no saving codes, no authenticators, no SMS, no passkey, no device still logged in, then the connect or the accounts generally cannot be recovered, and Discord support states that it cannot remove the MFA or issue replacement backup codes for you. So if you're really in that position, I'm really sorry for you, and you can just go and create a new account. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.